Bari Brahmana, Hindi, @M09M. Number, is a town in the notified area committee in Samba district in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. India.The industrial city has become the largest manufacturing center of Jammu and Kashmir.Bari Brahmana has the largest number of industries in the state with a great share in industrial GDP of state.The name of the town is derived from two Dogri words, Bari meaning open ground and Brahmana meaning Brahmins, a Varna in Hinduism. Thus the name means the garden of Brahmins. Geography. Bari Brahmana is located at 32.64 degrees and 74.93 degrees E. 32.64, 74.93. It has an average elevation of 340 meters, 1115 feet. The city is just 14 kilometers south of Jammu Tawi city and is situated on the banks of Devika River at a flat alluvial plains on the foothills of the Shuliks which surround it on the east and northeast. Climate. The climate of the district, being subtropical zone, is hot and dry in summer and cold in winter. Being in the foothills of the mountains, nights are a bit cooler than that of neighboring areas of Punjab. The temperature ranges between 4 degrees Celsius and 47 degrees Celsius. History. Bari Brahmana was formerly a small settlement of the Dogri Brahmins who were mostly teachers and astrologers. With the development of Jammu's infrastructure and its proximity to Jammu city, Bari Brahmana emerged as a leading manufacturing center of the state. Demographics. As of 2011 India census, Bari Brahmana had a population of 105,453. Males constitute 54% of the population and females 46%. Bari Brahmana has an average literacy rate of 67%, higher than the national average with 59% of the males and 41% of females literate. 16% of the population is under 6 years of age. The majority of population is Hindu, followed by Muslims and Sikhs. References.